Welcome back to SEMA Day 3, and we're gonna get right to it, finding the craziest, coolest, weirdest cars at SEMA to show you the highlights from 2018. We're starting out here where we ended last night, out here in the lot behind Central Hall, and this is like a hidden gem area. Some of these cars got here too late to get in the show, some of them are in the Young Builder contests. Just random weird stuff sprinkled all the way through here. There's some really cool cars, so we're gonna start off here. What's up? How's it going? Nice to meet you. I know you've been sending me pictures of this crazy shit forever, and wow. This you're hard parking harder than anybody else at SEMA right now. I'm just gonna say it.
I had to, man.
Do you have the hard parker award?
Yeah, pretty much.
You have to steal it from this guy?
No.
This is pretty radical.
Thank you. What do you want to know about it?
Tell me everything. How did you come up with this idea?
Okay, so it's a 1931 Chevy two-door sedan. It started out its life as a four-door. I rescued it from a guy's house, and it hadn't been sitting there since like the 60s and whatnot. That'd be cool.
The perfect patina.
Yeah, perfect patina. I felt a little bad cutting it up, but it was a four-door, so it's like, who cares?
Yeah.
Started building it. I always wanted a Cummins rat rod. I don't know why. Even before Steve.
Because it's cool as hell.
Right. So I did that. Built the frame from scratch. Everything's a cut-off wheel and a 110-volt welder. No fancy tools. I wish I had like a CNC or something. All in a backyard garage. Everything has been done by me except the transmission in the car. Floor pans are one-off. Everything's pretty. I don't know. It's cool. Compound turbos, nitrous, methanol injection. Alpine subwoofer steering wheel, drive shaft intake.
Wait. Alpine subwoofer steering wheel.
Yep, yeah, that's the steering wheel.
You tried to like sneak that in past me. I was like, I gotta check. Let's go over here and check this out. I gotta look at these details as you're talking about them. This is yep. It has an Alpine subwoofer steering wheel. Sure enough.
Yeah, it was an Alpine Type R that I blew up in high school, so I was like, oh, that's a cool steering wheel, why not? It's got Jazz Racing's products, bucket seats,
okay.
All sorts of air.
The cleanest thing on the rat rod.
Yeah, right. That and the floor pans. The floor pans are pretty fancy. I don't know, 750 horse, 1500 foot-pounds of torque. Right now I can't seem to keep a head on it, so I got a Hamilton firing head I'm going to put on it because it's just not like...
Does it have a boost controller? Yeah. You don't have to be at 750 horsepower, you know.
No, but I like pegging that PSI boost gauge, so... Well, why not, right? Blow heavy gaskets and transmissions, but cool.
I can't imagine why. You have a freaking fifth wheel in the back.
Right?
That is crazy.
Thank you. And then
how's it tow it?
It tows it great, actually.
Yeah.
It's set
750 horsepower?
Yeah,
it's basically set up like a 1-ton, so it's got an F350 axle in it. It's got big old airbags, so it actually rides like 10 times better with the trailer on than without, because it's set up so
come up?
8 inches.
Really?
Yep. Air ride. Gotta love modern air rides.
Is it 8 inches with the trailer on the back?
Yeah, it's probably about 7 with the trailer. Yeah, she's set up pretty stiff. No, it does.
Are you able to air it up?
I can, yeah.
Sweet.
I'm on that stand back, but
Yeah, that's alright. Oh, it goes up fast.
That was quick.
It's such a trip when the whole trailer's going up and down too.
Yeah, I want to bag the trailer eventually too.
Oh, that would be sick.
It's a brand new PJ trailer. I ordered it. Basically, it was semi-stock. I ordered it semi-stock with some upgrades. Then I've done a bunch of changes to it. I gave it that rusty patina look.
Yes.
Wanted to fit in, added race ramps and all sorts of fancy stuff to it. So, and then the truck on the back is actually my daily.
Really?
Yep. So I've had that thing for 6 years and put a shit ton of miles on it.
Is it gas or is it diesel?
Gas.
Okay.
Yep, just a Vortex Silverado chassis.
Okay.
Shot of nitrous, nothing crazy, but it's fun. You know, it's a great work truck, shop truck. That's what I use it for. So you don't have to. You know, that's the beauty of rat rods. You can just drive them. You don't care.
That's right.
Them up, whatever.
That's right.
Yep.
So on the Cummins, you got a pair of compound turbos. What size are they?
It's an HX52 Pro and an HX40 HX40 35 hybrid. So it's, I don't know what that equates to in size, but it's
at over 100 psi.
Over 100 psi. So.
And they make bigger boost gauges, but you just like bearing it, right?
Right. It's cool. Autometer.
That's right.
I was told Autometer was like, hey, hook me up with a 100 psi gauge. I'll show you getting pegged. And I go, okay.
Yeah, that's easy marketing for them.
Yeah, exactly. So that's cool. I guess everything's hand built and by myself, no help, no daddy's money. It's just all budget built. A lot of sponsorship stuff and working with companies to try and get stuff figured out, which is super nice.
Who are the main people that helped with the build?
Nitrous Express, B&M, Summit Racing, Speedway Motors.
Speedway's local to us. They got everything.
Yeah, there's some great companies to work with. A lot of the good SEMA companies. So.
Yep.
Yep. I mean, I don't know. Yukon Gear and Axle's been a long time one, drinking their energy drink like always.
Nice.
I'm kind of known for being wild with energy drinks.
So what are you doing here at SEMA? Are you entered in a certain competition or what's going on?
Sure. So I was actually a SEMA Young Gun regional qualifier this year.
Yeah.
So last year this was down here and it won awards, and then this year I qualified for a SEMA Young Gun regional award. So I won that and got down here again, and took top 40 in the Battle of Builders again this year and top 10 Young Gun.
Really?
Yep.
Congrats.
Thank you. It's pretty cool.
And how many people enter in that competition?
Somewhere around 500, I think. So it's
in your top 40?
Top 40 amongst all the big builders in the show.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool, and for a rat rod especially, because they don't really have the love. They're just getting there, but yeah.
Well, it's definitely something that's very unique.
Thank you.
You're kind of in a class of your own, especially with the trailer hooked up.
Yeah.
I love that.
That's the goal. I mean, you got to be different around here, otherwise no one's going to stop and look at your stuff.
Exactly.
I mean, there's cookie cutters.
Made us stop.
Yeah. Right. Yeah, there you go.
Show me the trailer setup, the hitch it back here.
Sure. Yep. Okay, so under here, it's all super tight. There's a 20-gallon fuel cell under here, and then it's all basically just a tube cross member. I was building this whole setup, and I was looking at it. I was like, I'm sick of borrowing my buddy's trucks and trailers. And it was so beefy what I was building, and then I took some measurements. I was like, this would be f***ing sweet with the gooseneck hookup. And I actually got a hold of PJ, and I talked to him on the phone a handful of times. They're like, we don't understand what you're trying to do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you have a gooseneck hitch for the back section of a rat rod?
Yeah. So.
Yeah, let me send you one of our kits.
Right. So I actually had to send like a horribly photoshopped picture. And then I actually, like, the way it all lined up, I measured it all, and it's actually a stock trailer. So it's this is a stock trailer.
Really?
Nothing crazy fancy about it, except the stuff I added on, and so that was super.
The rat rod style roof is just perfect for it.
Exactly. Yep.
And you don't have to worry about smashing up a regular box in the cab.
It comes up on you, that's a little scary, but.
Yeah.
That hasn't happened yet. Knock on wood. There's wood.
Yeah, that would be sketchy.
Yep. And then I got a nice B&W locking coupler here. So
Okay.
Steel my parked in my house. Bilstein shocks. All sorts of goodies going on in here. Did you see the shifter knob? Tin Man, little Tin Man.
Oh, cool. And that's the name of your shop, right?
Tin Man 2 Customs, yep.
So do you build customs for other people, or is it mainly your own stuff?
It's mainly my own. Right now I'm about 2 years out on stuff, so I'm building the car for SEMA next year too, so that one's for my mom. So
Really?
Yeah, I do have customer jobs though once in a while, but I'm a one-man shop. All the media stuff I do, all the work I do, it's a lot of work for one person.
Any hints on what you're building for mom?
Yeah, I'm building a 40 Chevy 2-door sedan. It's gonna be classic painted, like the rest of the stuff, but it's pretty cool. It's got a 2017 Mustang.
Mom's not into rat rods?
Originally she told me when I first built that truck that if I build a rat rod, she'd kick me out of the house.
So here you are.
But guess what?
This is your bed, right?
Yep. No, I did it anyways, and now they love rat rods because they never really got the whole keep it so you can drive it and use it because they've always had fancy shiny stuff. But we've had this.
I'm guilty of that too.
Right? Yeah, you are. we've had this car that I'm building for her for 30 years now, and she's always wanted it shiny, and Dad just never got to it. So
there's a lot of history behind it too. That's cool.
Yeah, exactly. So I'm gonna build it real nice. Hopefully get it down here and take home top 40 again. That's the goal. I mean,
that'd be badass.
It's a big goal. So.
How old are you?
I'm 26.
Really?
Yep. I didn't know how to change my oil until I was 18. So. Self-taught, learn a lot on YouTube.
What got you into this? Like what created the addiction?
Honestly, I started doing the audio systems.
It's probably a Mustang guy.
I started building little audio systems and hustling audio parts, and then I just used my videos to try and sell more stuff. And then my YouTube started picking up. I was like, that'd be cool just to, I don't know, do what I do in the garage. And I started doing other videos like the 2500 street car and just random videos, and it started picking up. I was like, oh, that's cool. So it's good inspiration, Anybody that's out there looking for inspiration, try and start a YouTube or do something.
Yeah, that's where I knew you from originally. Right, and then you came up with this crazy stuff.
Yeah. So start a YouTube, start something, write for magazines, try to, or just get involved, man.
Just get immersed in the industry and the world.
Involved. Anybody that works hard is gonna get enough love in the industry. You work hard enough, long enough, someone will notice.
That's right.
That's all about.
Well, it's cool to see your passion come out through this. This is pretty unique.
Thank you. Lots of
Love
drugs too. Well, drugs.
Well, thanks, Luke.
Thank you.
Congrats on the top 40. That's amazing. We'll see you later, man.
Sounds good. Thank you.
When you tap on someone, I can't. It focuses, like it helps focus. It
Oh,
just
sure.
it just sticks on your beard.
Oh, look at that! Yeah, that's cool.
It's like this big rectangle.